Okay, so to knit through the back loop, we have our whole loop around our needle. This is the front side of it, and this is the back side. So we're going to knit through this side instead of this side. We also don't enter the way that we normally would for a knit stitch. We're going to enter it like a purl, but from behind. So take your needle from the right to the left, catch that back loop and make your X. Then we're going to yarn over counterclockwise as always and pull that through. When we pull this off, we get a twisted stitch. This is also good for untwisting stitches. So our right loop is always in front. If you accidentally had your, do it the right way here, you had your stitch twisted, instead of taking it off and fixing it, if you knit through the back loop, and I've cut a little bit of it, that's okay. When you pull it off, your stitch is no longer twisted. So you can kind of see the difference between the two. So again, we enter like we're purling, but behind, catch the back loop, yarn over and pull through. I'll do a couple so you can see what the twisted stitch looks like, kind of how you do it quickly. And then you can see how these are straight and this is kind of a little bit of a twist. So that is knitting through the back loop. If you have any questions, leave them below, and thank you for watching.